In this video, I'll show you how to create a 3D kitchen using the RoomSketcher app. I'm going to add my kitchen here. All kitchen items are classified as furniture, so you want to be in furniture mode, and I'll open the kitchen category. My top tip is to add any corner base cabinets first. I'll scroll to find one. Note that this one is shaker style, and you will also find flat front options in the library. I'll click to select it and click to place it on my floor plan. Next, I like to add kitchen appliances. I'll press the Add button and then use the search to find a kitchen range. When I press Enter, I can see all the ranges. I'll click to select this one and click to place it here. This eye shows the front side of the item. This is useful to know as it means the back snaps to the wall and the sides snap to other kitchen items. Now let's add another appliance. I'll search for a kitchen sink and place it here, centered on the window. Next, I want to add a refrigerator, so I'll type that in the search and add it here. I want the refrigerator to be an exact distance from the wall. So I'll open this yellow menu and add a tape measure to my workspace. I'll move it into place and drag it here to size it. Now I have a guide on where to place my refrigerator. I'll move the tape measure here in case I need it later. Next, I'll fill in the spaces between appliances with kitchen base cabinets. I'll search and add this one. But notice it's a bit narrow. I'll use Best Fit Width to change it to the perfect size. I can click here to copy the selected base cabinet and click here to paste the copy into my project. I'll drag it into place and click Best Fit Width. And I'll add a wider cabinet here. I can take a quick snapshot by double-clicking the camera to see how my kitchen is progressing. Looks like I could add some wall items. I'll search for a range hood and add this one above my stove. Over here in Properties, I can adjust these two numbers to determine how high the range hood sits. I'll change its height above floor to 61 inches so that the top of my range hood is flush with the top of my 94.5-inch wall. Next, I'll search for kitchen wall cabinet and choose the taller set. Here's a shaker option, which I'll add to the project. I'll click Best Fit Width, and over here you can also customize other size options. I'm going to adjust the height of the cabinet to be 39.4 inches. This will place the top of the cabinet right at the top of my wall. I'll click Copy and then Paste to add another wall cabinet and drag to adjust its size. Let's take another snapshot to check our progress. So now we have a basic kitchen. Let's customize it with materials and colors. I'll click on an open spot in the floor plan to select the entire level and then click Properties. Here are the level properties. You can see the wall height for the level and choose the materials and color for the complete kitchen. For the kitchen countertop for the level, I can search for typical materials like quartz, marble, or granite. I'll search for quartz, choose this one, and click Apply. For the kitchen cabinet front, I'll search for a blue paint, choose this one, and apply it. To change the material on any fixture, just click on one to bring up Replace Materials. I'll choose the faucet and change it to a black metal. Let's view the kitchen in Live 3D. Here it is. I like to move the Live 3D window to the side, so I have a side-by-side view as I work. I also like to switch to camera mode. Next, I'd like to add some kitchen accessories. I'll add this bowl of fruit here. And I can see my results over here in Live 3D. Now finish up the project with any other decor or accessories. Here's mine. I'll take a snapshot to view it in 3D. And since the snapshot looks good, I'll click to create a high-resolution 3D photo. Note that a 3D photo can take a few minutes to generate. You can find your project's 3D photos by clicking this yellow menu and then 3D Photos. Here it is. If you've generated a 2D or 3D floor plan, you can find them here or in the yellow menu. Here is my 2D and 3D floor plan. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.